Hey everyone, it's Chiara here from SEMrush again. Today we talk about landing pages. A good landing page can make or break your business. How important is it? So important that SEMrush has not just one, but 2 tools that can help you track and improve them. I'll tell you more about them at the end of the video, but right now let's start with some tips to create high converting landing pages. As always, it's a really good start to get super clear about what your goals are before you start building anything. What do you want from your landing pages? A few examples of what you might want from a landing page could be, for example, phone calls, form submissions, email signups, or direct sales. But there could be much more. These decisions will of course influence the actual design of your landing page, but also the initial touches that will actually bring traffic to your page. Once you understand and get clear on what your goals are, get one of your existing landing pages and start removing. It's time for some housekeeping. So make sure that the top of your landing page is simple and clean. And most of all, it should be crystal clear what you want your users to do. Above the fold, the elements that should be there on your landing page should be these ones. First of all, the logo, then a compelling headline, after that a description of what's happening and why it's important, then a sentence that tells the users what they should be doing next, and a button for them to click or a phone number or whatever you have decided earlier with your goals. Oh, and one super important tip, maybe the most important tip of the whole video. You really need to be split testing. If you don't know what it means, split testing is the process of comparing 2 different versions of your marketing against each other to see which version is more effective. So for example, just try and change the color of a button, the order of some sentences, try and change the graphics, mirror the images and pictures, anything that is just a small tweak, and send it to users and see what's their reaction. You will see immediately what works more. But as I said at the beginning of the video, besides the awesome tips of this awesome video, how can SEMrush actually help you track and improve your landing pages? With 2 tools. The first one we're going to talk about is the position tracking. The SEMrush position tracking tool, in fact, allows you to view a list of landing pages from your website or your competitor's website, along with data on various keywords that those pages are actually ranking for. This will allow you to keep track of all the rankings, yours and of your competitors' landing pages, to understand what is actually working in your marketing and in theirs. And the second tool we're going to talk about, I know we've seen it in a lot of videos, but it's a really powerful tool, is the SEMrush Traffic Analytics. The SEMrush Traffic Analytics tool is comparable to Google Analytics, but created based on clickstream data. So it makes estimation based on all of the domain's traffic sources, not just search. If you need any more information, check the description of this video to get more info about the tools that I have described and also about resources that will help you improve the conversion on your landing pages. And if you liked the video, as usual, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and activate the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it helps you build landing pages that will turn all your visitors into loyal customers. Thanks again, see you next time.